In this video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone not charging after 80%. Firstly, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to Battery, then Battery, Health and Charging. Here you can see all the information about your battery. Now, the optimized battery charging should be on, and that's what makes the iPhone not charging after 80%. So all you have to do is stop the optimized battery charging toggle to turn it off. You can choose turn it off until tomorrow, which disables it temporarily, and turn off, which permanently disable it. If you use a larger iPhone like iPhone 14 Pro Max or 15 Plus, it's better to keep this feature on to preserve battery health over time. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.